morning everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now, I print my coupons on Swagbucks. I just go to it and print it. I do have a referral link below, but I get a point for every coupon that I print. I'm just not trying to shove this on you guys' throat, but I'm just trying to tell you guys print, because by the end of the year, if you guys start, you guys can get gift cards for free Christmas. So and then I go to my points, which is this site right here, and I print off coupons with a different browser under a different phone number. So I use my phone number and my browser, which I use Chrome, and then I go and use my husband's phone number under Firefox, and that is what I do to print coupons. I do have referral links for both of them below, so you guys can do that. But I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. So they ended up looking like they added paste. We have a 50 cent off of one paste. We also have a $1 off of 2 cans of pineapple. It looks like the Tibbets or something like that, if you guys want that. I think we have a $1 off Land of Frost is new. The $2 off Aveeno is still available. Windex has been available for months. Magnum is still available. I'm going to print off this because I think no, I'm not, but I'm going to still print it off. I thought there was a deal on Ibotta, but I'm going to print it off anyways. Here we have a You'll Play coupon, 50 cents off of 5. Now there is a deal on Ibotta for that, so I'm going to print that off. Kettle off of 2, 50 cents off of Cascade. Here we have 50 cents off of Wii. I haven't seen this coupon in a while, but we have a $1 off the Tetley tea. Now there is some, you can get it at Walmart, but you can also use this coupon at the Dollar Tree if they let you use printable coupons. $1 off Clearasil, that's still available. Sorry you guys, my baby got me up like super early, and I'm gonna go back to bed in a couple minutes. But here we got some deodorants. We have a $1.25 off Motion Sense, a $1.25 off Degree Motion Sense, $1 off Airborne, $1 off Fridge Packs. Here's another $1.50 off Motion Sense, and another $1.50 off. I'm not going to print those off because I think we might be getting those in our inserts, but it's up to you guys if you want to. Now here is an awesome coupon that won't be around for long, but it's $5 off of 3. So definitely print that off for Colgate, you guys. That is an awesome coupon. Usually $5 off of 2 is a better coupon, but hey, still take 5 off of 3. Here we got some other items. Nothing really pointing out for that, but definitely want to print off the Colgate. And that is pretty much it. Smucker's is still available, it looks like. A lot of ads, so we're just going to go down to the bottom and see what's available. Now they did have a 4 off of 2 Kellogg's. I'm going to reprint that again. Starbucks coffee is still available. Godiva is still available, and then the fruit cups are still available too if you guys want to do those deals. But just wanted to share with you guys new coupons to print. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.